Cline just dropped CLI 2.0, and it's a complete game changer. An open source AI coding agent that runs entirely in your terminal. No VS Code. No editor lock-in. Just pure command line power. Parallel agents. Headless CI/CD pipelines. Support for any editor. And they're giving away free API credits for a limited time. Let me show you everything. For those who don't know, Cline is one of the most powerful open source AI coding agents out there. It started as a VS Code extension that could create files, edit code, run terminal commands, even browse the web, all while asking your permission every step of the way. Now with CLI 2.0, they brought all of that power to the terminal. Why does this matter? Because not everyone lives in VS Code. JetBrains users, Neovim users, Z users, they've all been left out. Until now. Cline CLI works with any editor through something called ACP, the Agent Communication Protocol. But more on that in a minute. Cline CLI operates in two distinct modes that automatically activate based on how you run it. First, interactive mode. Just type Cline and you get a rich terminal interface for hands-on coding sessions. Real-time conversation, syntax highlighting, file mentions with the @ symbol, /commands, keyboard shortcuts. It feels like chatting with an AI assistant right in your terminal. Second, headless mode. This is where it gets really interesting. Add the -y flag, YOLO mode, and Cline runs completely autonomously. No prompts, no approval needed. It just executes. This unlocks insane automation potential. Pipe a git diff to Cline and get automated code review. Chain multiple commands together. Integrate it directly into your CI/CD pipeline. Imagine pushing code and having an AI agent automatically review it, fix linting errors, update documentation, and write release notes. That's now possible. But here's where Cline CLI 2.0 gets really powerful: parallel agents. Cline can now spawn what they call subagents, focused research agents that run simultaneously. Each subagent gets its own context window, explores the codebase independently, and reports back to the main agent. Think about it, you're onboarding to a new codebase. Instead of one agent slowly reading through files sequentially, you can spin up subagents to investigate the API routes, the test setup, the database models, and the deployment config all at once. These subagents are read-only, they can read files, search code, and run safe commands like git log. They can't edit files or make changes. So you get fast, parallel research without any risk. And here's the key benefit: it keeps your main agent's context window clean. Instead of filling it with exploration, the subagents gather the intel and pass back only what's relevant. For large codebases, this is absolutely massive. Now let's see this in action. Here's the official demo from Cline showing exactly how the CLI works. Now let's talk about ACP, the Agent Communication Protocol. This is how Cline CLI connects to other editors. It's not just VS Code anymore. JetBrains IDEs? Supported. Neovim? Supported. Z? Supported. Basically any editor that implements ACP? Supported. The CLI becomes the brain, your editor becomes the interface. When Cline wants to show you a file diff or edit code, it sends that through ACP to your editor of choice. This is huge for the open source community. No more being locked into one ecosystem. You get the full power of an AI coding agent, in whatever environment you're most productive. And here's the cherry on top, they're offering Minimax M2.5 and Kimi K2.5 completely free for a limited time. That means you can try Cline CLI 2.0 without spending a dime on API costs. No credit card. No commitment. To get started, npm install -g at Cline/CLI. Then run Cline off to set up your provider. You can use Anthropic, OpenAI, Google Gemini, AWS Bedrock, or any OpenAI compatible API. Even local models through Allama. The docs at docs.cline.bot are excellent, definitely check those out. Cline CLI 2.0 is a serious step forward for AI-assisted development. Terminal first. Editor agnostic. Parallel agents. CI/CD integration. This is what open source AI tooling should look like. I'm gonna be testing this extensively on upcoming projects. If you want to see more deep dives on AI coding tools, hit that subscribe button. Link to Cline in the description. Peace.